genre is fable. How about fable? Fable is the story that animal behave like human. So the animal can speak like human being. For example, the mouse, deer, and crocodile, the rabbit and the turtles, and etc. Next, genre of narrative text is folktale. How about folktale? Folktale is the story, traditional story from the society. Jadi, yaitu adalah cerita tradisional masyarakat. For example, Malin Kundang,
Bawang putih, bawang merah, timun emas, timun buku.
You are very smart, Safa. Next is fairy tales. Fairy tales is the story that have something magical. For example, Cinderella, Snow White,
The Beauty and the Beast. The Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah, you're right. The last genre of narrative text is myth. What is myth? Myth is the ancient story that related with the belief of the society. For example, the myth of Nyi Roro Kidul.
If it is Bloody Mary.
What is it, Sapa? Can you tell me? What is the story about?
Ini suaminya di kaca.
Maybe is
Not big.
Alice.
not myth. So, can you repeat, guys? What are the genre of narrative text? First,
Legend, fable, folktale, fairy tales, and myth.
nah, jadi jika kalian menemukan jenis-jenis cerita ini di buku atau di internet, maka itu adalah bagian dari jenis-jenis narrative text. So, how about the genre structure of narrative text? In narrative text, we have three main parts. First, we call is orientation. What is orientation? Orientation is the beginning of the story. It gives us the answer about what is the story about, who are the characters in the story, what happened in the story, or where is the story happen. So, in orientation, tell us about the characters and setting in the story. For example, once upon a time, there was a poor boy. Nah, jadi once upon a time ini itu adalah kata petunjuk untuk memberitahukan kepada kita bahwa cerita itu adalah bagian awal daripada sebuah cerita. Next is part of genre structure in narrative text is complication. What is complication? Complication is the problem that happen in the story. So the character have difficulties when face the event. So if the story that have a flat plot is boring, right, for us to read?
Yeah.
Ya. So jadi muncullah complication ini itu membuat the story more interesting to us to read. For example, one day he forgot his mother. Suatu hari dia melupakan ibunya. Nah, jadi ini salah satu contoh dari complication, yaitu permasalahan yang muncul di pertengahan cerita. Next, last genre structure is resolution. Now, how about resolution? Resolution is the ending of the story when the problem in the story is solved. Jadi, resolution ini adalah ketika di mana masalah yang terdapat di dalam suatu cerita itu menemukan titik penyelesaiannya. And usually the ending of the story always happy ending, but another story also have sad ending. For example, finally he turned into stone. So the word finally show to us about the story is the end of the story. So next is language features in narrative text. In narrative text, we have 4 language features we use. First is past tense. Because the story happened in the past, of course, we use a past tense to tell the event. What is the verb we use in past tense? Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3?
Verb 2.
Ya, verb 2 apa? Verb 3. For example, Aji Saka went to the kingdom. When is the verb 2 from word?
Go.
Go. Yes, correct. Next is action verb. How about action verb? Action verb is the verb that have the movement or action. For example, run, eat, go, and etc. Next is time connected. What is time connected is show to us about the event in orderly. Jadi cerita itu diceritakan atau ditulis penulis berdasarkan urutan-urutan kejadian ceritanya. For example, once upon a time, then, after that, and finally.